Step aboard the Clipper City, a magnificent ship for a truly unique New York City adventure.
As the boat glides across the waters of New York Harbor, the modern marvel of architecture rises majestically against the iconic city skyline. It is our first time sailing in Clipper, such a unique way to see New York.
From the rustic deck of the New York Clipper sail, One World Trade Center presents a stunning and spectacle view. All around us, skyscrapers rising tall, each with its own story. Both sails are down and the boat glides calmly.
And there, the Brooklyn Bridge, one of America's oldest suspension bridges linking Manhattan to Brooklyn since 1883.
You can help the crew hoist the sails or simply sit back and enjoy the stunning, unobstructed views of the Manhattan skyline.
With rhythmic teamwork, a group of visitors on the Clipper sail pulled together, cheering as the first large sailcloth slowly rose to its peak.
As the Clipper sailed through New York's waters, it was time to raise the second sail. Prem joined the group, and working as one, they rhythmically pulled the heavy canvas upward, their cheers echoing across the deck.
With both sails raised, the boat picked up speed. The Hudson felt alive. It was amazing.